You've seen it in cartoons, movies, and TV commercials, a perfectly tuned, high-pitched note that completely shatters a fragile glass. Is this real science, or just a myth created by Hollywood? Today on Science Hub we are putting physics to the ultimate test and finding out exactly how to make this impossible experiment possible. Stay tuned to the end to see the science in action. Welcome back. The secret to breaking this wine glass isn't about volume, it's about precision. We need one scientific principle: resonance. Every object, including this glass, has a unique musical note, a sweet spot called its natural resonant frequency. Tap it, and you hear that pitch. Our goal is to match that exact frequency with a powerful sound wave. If we get it perfectly right, the energy from the sound will build up, vibrate the glass beyond its structural limit, and cause a spectacular failure. Before we break anything, we have to find our target frequency. For this experiment, we are using a thin crystal wine glass, a strong speaker, and a frequency generator. Step 1. Identify the frequency. We'll use a microphone and software, called a spectrum analyzer, to listen in as I gently rub the rim of the glass. Okay, the analyzer doesn't lie. This glass resonates at exactly 440.5 Hertz. This is the sound we need to blast at extreme volume. We enter this number into our frequency generator. Safety first. When glass shatters, shards can fly a few feet. I'm putting on my safety goggles and positioning the plexiglass shield. Please do not attempt this experiment at home. The frequency is perfect. The speaker is active. Right now, it's a quiet but steady note. But watch what happens when I increase the amplitude, or the sheer power. As I turn up the volume, the sound wave is constantly hitting the glass at its natural frequency. It's like timing a push on a swing. With every push, the swing goes higher. With every sound wave, the glass vibrates bigger. We are now over 130 decibels. The glass is straining. The force is too much. Its structural integrity is failing. Now, host quickly cranks the volume to the maximum. Unbelievable. The physics holds true. This is the amazing power of resonance. We successfully demonstrated that with the right frequency and enough energy, sound is strong enough to destroy solid material. If you were amazed by the destructive power of sound, hit that like button and let us know. And if you want to see more mind-blowing science that looks like magic, make sure you subscribe to Science Hub right now. Which experiment should we tackle next? Tell us in the comments. Check out our playlist of simple home experiments here, and we'll see you in the next video.